Hello children, welcome back to the grade 6 maths class. Today we are going to do the lesson Factors and Indices part 2. In the previous video we discussed about the lesson Factors. Today we are going to see what are these indices. This is something really new to you. Right. Think you are given a multiplication like this. This number 2 has been repeatedly multiplied for 3 times. Then you have another multiplication. The 3 has been multiplied for 4 times. The same number has repeatedly multiplied. Same number has repeatedly multiplied. Children, we can write this repeated multiplication in a shorthand way. Right? Without writing this much of numbers, we can write these repeated multiplication in shorthand way. That is called indices. The shorthand way of writing repeated multiplication is called indices. So how can we write this in shorthand way? This is number 2. It is repeatedly multiplied for 3 times. Then this is number 3. It is repeatedly multiplied for 4 times. We will just take another number. We will multiply 5. 5 is repeatedly multiplied for 3 times. So children, we wrote this repeated multiplication in shorthand way. So we can tell this. We can identify this as indices, or else we have written this repeated multiplication in index form. Right. So when you observe these numbers, you can see, right, the differences. They are not like the other numbers. So you have one number like this and another small number to the right and upon the given number. What are these? This is called the base. This is the number which is multiplied for many times, and this is called the index, or else the power. This is smaller than the base. This is called the base and this is the index or the power. How do we read this? We can read this as 2 to the power of 3. We wrote repeated multiplication in shorthand way. We called it, we are writing numbers in index form. This indices means the plural form of index. This is how to write repeated multiplication in index form, in shorthand way. And there are 2 numbers. Yes, this is called the base. This is the number which is multiplied for many times. And this is called the index. We write it to the right and top of the base. We read it as 2 to the power of 3. We take some more numbers. How can we write this in index form? You can write this as 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4. How can you write this in index form? This is 7 and it is multiplied for 3 times. So this is 7 to the power of 3. Then look at this, my children. The 5 has multiplied for 2 times. So 5 to the power of 2. I hope the lesson up to this is very clear. We are writing a repeated multiplication in shorthand way. That is called writing numbers in index form. Right? Without getting the same number, we will get different numbers also in this repeated multiplication. There, see, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Different numbers. So how do we write this in index form? First we will take, there are 2 different base. 2. 2 is repeatedly multiplied for 2 times. Then we can take the other number. It's 3. It is repeatedly multiplied for 3 times. So this is how to write this repeated multiplication in index form. Right. Now look at this. How can you write this in index form? There are 3 different numbers. You can take these 3 different numbers as 3 different base numbers. So just take 3 first. It is repeatedly multiplied for 2 times. Then 5. It is just multiplied for 1 time. So you don't want to write any power on top. Then it's 7. It is repeatedly multiplied for 2 times. So this is it. So, not only the same numbers, children, you will get different numbers also to write in index form. Right. Next, the opposite. You will get the numbers in index form. And they will ask you to find the value of this. What is 2 to the power of 2? What is the hidden number inside this? So expand this. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 has repeatedly multiplied for 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. This 4 is written in index form like this. 4 is the hidden number inside this. Right. You just take this. 5 to the power of 3. That means 5 you have to multiply it for 3 times. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. Then think 3 to the power of 4. How can you find the value of this? First, expand this. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Just go on multiplying. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, 81. So, 81 is the hidden number inside this. This is how to find the value of the numbers which are written in index form. Sometimes you will get numbers like this too. 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. Simple. Expanding. 2 to the power of 2. 2 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. 3 multiplied by 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36 is the hidden number. Next, 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5. How can we find the value for this? 2 to the power of 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. This is it. Find the value. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So, the hidden value in these numbers which are written in index form is 40. So, children, if I summarize the lesson, the shorthand way of writing the repeated multiplication is called writing numbers in index form. We learn how to write the numbers, that means the repeated multiplication in shorthand way, and then we learn how to expand and find the hidden values of the numbers written in index form. So my dear children, this is the second part of the lesson factors and indices. Hope it is very clear. In the third video, I will tell you the page numbers and the exercise numbers that you have to refer for the whole lesson. Thank you.